Hello everyone, my name is Robin. I've been playing economical games from a long time and I know how to win them. From a long time I have been playing different game on the site Focus Bet, and you know my favorite game, which is Crash, our all-time favorite. So this is the game Crash. So we are going to play. For you guys, I'm going to put like 500 auto stop of 2. In this game, the rocket will go a certain height and we have to cash out before the rocket crash or before the rocket falls. Look, we lose this round, never mind. We will play another round and we are going to make money. In this game, sometime you will win, sometime you will lose, but at the end, we have to make money. Go. We need to make money. Great, going great. Look, we made our money. Again, 500 auto stop of 2. Let's see. So this is the section where you can see all the players, and this is the live section where you can see different players who are playing different games. Let's hope for the best for this round. A round is going on. Go. Look, we made our money again. So within a small time we made a profit of 500. I'm sure each one of you can play and make money in very small time. This is really easy. And what's the good thing about this site? Whatever amount you will win, it will be updated here. Next round, I'm going to play slow. Like 200 at auto stop of 2. Let's see. Fine. We are still in a profit. Preparing for our round. This is really easy game, and I'm sure each one of you can make money and you can enjoy at the same time. Go. Please. Fine. Never mind. We will make much money. Putting 100 now at auto stop of 2. Let's see how high the rocket will go in this round. And in this side there are various payment methods also. You can deposit your money in whichever currency you want, like there is rupee, dinar, ruble and Bitcoin also. We made 200. Fine. 5.54x. Man, I'm going to put 200 now at auto stop of 3. Let's see. Go. Fine. Now I'm putting 1000 at auto stop of 2. Okay. It happens sometime. The rocket will crash directly at 1 or max to max 1.2. But you have to be strong. Go till 2 is fine. Just minute. 1.93. We are going to put 1500 now at auto stop of 2. Let's see whether we're going to win or lose. Man. Never mind. It happens sometime. 2000 at auto stop of 2. We will make our money. Don't worry. We need to be strong. If we are going to be strong, we are going to win. Look. Still we need 500 more. Again I'm going to play 2000 at auto stop of 2. Preparing for a round. Go. We need money this time. Fine. $2,000 for 3. Let's see. Please, we need to make our money. Go. I hope this time we will make money. Go. Look, 20,500, 1,500. Awesome. Let's see how high the rocket will go in this round. 15x, 17x, 18x. Man. 33x. Fine. I'm going to put 50 now at auto stop of 2. Okay, this time a little bit slow. Next round we are going to play big and we will see the conditions. Two. Fine guys, don't worry. 450 for you guys. Go this time. We need to make money. 1.07x. Fine. Again, I'm putting 1,000 this time. Total stop of 2. Let's see. Go. We need to make money. Look, 29,000. So this was the whole process, and I'm sure within small time you all got the idea how to play this game. And in this side, this is the section where you can check the you can deposit your money. This is the withdrawal section, and this is the history section where you can see the history of your payments, and these are the various payment methods, and these are the various games you can play, and these are the various slot games. If you have any query, you can join my Telegram channel and you can put your messages over there. So with this, I'm going to see you all guys next time. Bye bye. I hope you will make money and you will put your reviews and message in my Telegram channel. Bye bye.